In computing breakthroughs, brain-inspired computers are solving complex math problems. Researchers at Sandia National Laboratories developed a novel algorithm that enables neuromorphic hardware to tackle partial differential equations, the mathematical foundation for modeling phenomena, such as fluid dynamics and electromagnetic fields. The findings show that neuromorphic computing can handle these equations with remarkable efficiency. By solving PDEs with brain-inspired efficiency, neuromorphic systems can handle large-scale simulations with far less power than conventional supercomputers. This work could pave the way for the world's first neuromorphic supercomputer. Want to know more? Check out ENTECH magazine's official website for the full details. Hello everyone, and welcome to the ENTECH magazine's news digest for week 3rd of January, 2026. I'm Diora, excited to share 10 amazing stories from the world of science and technology this week. These discoveries and innovations are shaping our future in remarkable ways. Scientists have solved a decades-old puzzle about the moon. New research shows that Earth's atmosphere has been carried to the moon by solar wind and deposited in lunar soil for billions of years. Earth's magnetic field actually helps guide atmospheric particles to the moon rather than blocking them. When the moon passes through Earth's magnetotail during its full moon phase, it provides a more direct path for particles to reach the lunar surface. These findings could help future lunar explorers find valuable resources on the moon. Next, we look at materials that can change how they handle heat. Researchers are developing thermal smart materials whose thermal properties can be tuned with an external trigger. These materials can have their thermal conductivity changed by applying an electric field, allowing them to regulate temperature in devices. Some smart materials use shape memory polymers that can change their configuration in response to heat, creating or closing air pathways. Applications range from electronics cooling to spacecraft systems and even clothing that adapts to weather conditions. A new study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology. Journal shows that personalized recommendation systems may interfere with how people learn. When algorithms curated learning content, participants explored less, answered incorrectly, yet remained confident. The research shows that algorithmic personalization narrows information and distorts how people form mental categories. This pattern may quietly distort understanding across a wide range of topics. In automotive technology, 3D printing is changing how cars are made. Ford produced the largest metal part ever made using 3D printing in 2019, an aluminum intake manifold for the engine of a Ford F-150. The 2020 Shelby GT500 includes 2 structural 3D printed brake components that passed all of Ford's performance standards. Metal 3D printing, such as selective laser melting, enables complex aluminum, titanium, and steel parts for critical systems. This technology enables faster prototyping, lighter parts, and greater design freedom, or seems to have little geological activity. Astronomers are studying a young planetary system that reveals how planets form. V1298 Tau is a young star that is only 10 to 30 million years old and hosts 4 planets, each larger than Neptune. This young system provides a crucial snapshot of planetary architecture just after formation, serving as the missing link between protoplanetary disks and mature planetary systems. Scientists predict these low-density planets will contract into super-Earths or sub-Neptunes common in our galaxy. All 4 planets appear to have similar core masses of about 4 to 6 Earth masses, showing how planetary systems evolve. Astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope have discovered Cloud 9, a new type of astronomical object that is a starless cloud of gas held together by dark matter. This cloud contains about 1 million times the mass of the Sun in hydrogen gas, but requires about 5 billion solar masses of dark matter to hold it together. Scientists believe Cloud 9 is a failed galaxy, frozen in time before it could start forming stars. This discovery helps us understand how galaxies form in the early universe. NASA researchers conducted experiments showing that amino acids in surface ice on Mars would survive over 50 million years of cosmic ray exposure. In pure water ice, more than 10% of the amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, survived what amounts to 50 million years of space radiation. In pure ice, radiation byproducts such as free radicals become trapped and immobilized, slowing the chemical breakdown of biological molecules. The study suggests pure ice and ice-rich permafrost are the best places to search for recently deposited amino acids on Mars. These sites offer clear targets for future life detection missions. Scientists are teaching robots how to walk by using video game-like simulations. Instead of practicing in the real world where they might break, these four-legged robots use artificial intelligence to learn inside a computer. They try over and over again to walk on rough terrain to master balance and movement safely. Once the robot perfects its walking style in the simulation, it can easily handle difficult surfaces like gravel or ice in the real world. We look to the stars where the James Webb Space Telescope has found something strange in the early universe. Astronomers discovered bright, tiny galaxies that they call blue monsters and found evidence of dark stars. These are massive stars that might be powered by dark matter instead of normal energy, changing what we know about how the first black holes formed. These discoveries suggest that the early universe was full of giant objects that grew much faster than scientists previously thought was possible. That wraps up another exciting week in science and technology. From dark matter relics and lunar mysteries to smart materials and neuromorphic computing, this week brought us closer to understanding our universe. To read these articles in detail, visit entechoonline.com. There you will find in-depth coverage, references, and more amazing stories. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss future science content. Don't forget to share it with friends who love science. Which story excited you the most? Let us know in the comments below. See you next week.